Welcome to the future of ultra-luxury travel, the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. A masterpiece where supercar DNA meets next-level living comfort. From the moment you see it, this giant Lamborghini hauler commands attention with its bold aerodynamic lines, signature Y-shaped LED lighting, and a stance that feels powerful from every angle. The front fascia carries that aggressive Lamborghini identity, while the extended body brings elegance, strength, and cutting-edge design. As you walk closer, the precision-cut panels, forged carbon accents, and massive performance wheels make it clear. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury experience engineered for those who want speed, comfort, and status together. The side profile is long, sculpted, and extremely premium, with hidden sensors, smart cameras, and automatic slide-out sections that expand the interior space. Lamborghini's performance styling continues around the rear with a dynamic taillight strip, quad exhaust-style vents, and a grand ultra-wide back frame that hints at the powerful hybrid engine beneath. Step up to the premium entry door and you're greeted by digital key access, soft ambient lighting, and futuristic welcome sounds inspired by Lamborghini's supercar startup tone. This is where luxury travel transforms into a masterpiece. As the door opens, the interior instantly hits you with a sense of power and elegance. Italian craftsmanship, soft-touch leather, forged carbon fiber, and smart automation everywhere. Every surface is perfectly designed, every corner illuminated, and every feature engineered for absolute comfort. This motorhome isn't just made to travel, it's made to redefine luxury on wheels. Let's step inside and explore the heart of this incredible 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. The bedroom brings pure Lamborghini luxury with a full-size premium bed, dynamic ambient lighting, soft Italian leather walls, and carbon fiber trim accents. Smart climate control keeps the room perfect, while panoramic windows give a relaxing view day and night. Storage spaces are hidden seamlessly, and the overhead LED panel creates a futuristic glow. This bedroom is built for comfort, peace, and ultimate relaxation after long-distance travel. The TV lounge is designed like a private Lamborghini studio, spacious seating, soft luxury sofa, premium recliners, and a giant smart 4K screen mounted in a carbon fiber frame. Surround sound fills the room with theater-quality audio. Ambient lights sync with the video, turning this lounge into a luxury cinema experience. This is where comfort meets technology, perfect for movies, gaming, or relaxing with friends and family during travel. The kitchen is modern, sleek, and practical. It includes a smart cooking station, induction stove, stainless appliances, deep sink, optimized cabinets, and Lamborghini-style forged carbon finishing. The LED lighting creates a bright, fresh environment. Everything is compact yet functional, with pull-out storage, hidden drawers, and silent closing doors. Whether cooking quick snacks or full meals, this kitchen delivers maximum convenience with premium style. The washroom continues the luxury theme with a glass shower cabin, rainfall shower head, premium tiles, touch sensor mirror, and soft LED underglow. The sink area has modern fittings, strong water pressure, and a perfectly ventilated layout. Every surface uses high-quality materials, making this bathroom feel like a small luxury hotel inside a motorhome. As we reach the end of this tour, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome proves itself as a complete luxury travel machine, powerful, stylish, and intelligently designed. Every section, from the bold exterior to the premium interior zones, reflects the Lamborghini spirit, performance, elegance, and attention to detail. This motorhome doesn't compromise in space, comfort, or technology. It gives you a fully connected home experience on the road with automated systems, digital controls, climate zones, and top-tier safety features. Whether you're cruising highways, exploring new destinations, or relaxing at your favorite spot, this Lamborghini Motorhome transforms every journey into a VIP travel experience. With its next-generation hybrid performance engine, adaptive suspension, and advanced driving assistance, it handles like a true luxury machine while offering the comfort of a 5-star suite. The interior layout is built for long-distance relaxation, From the cinematic TV lounge and peaceful bedroom to the elegant kitchen and hotel-style bathroom. Everything you need is here, built to perfection. This is not just a motorhome, it's Lamborghini Luxury reimagined for the future of travel. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome takes your lifestyle to a whole new level, combining power, class, and innovation for the ultimate on-road experience.